What it is, YouTube, we fading back in with the Gbody Monte series. We got the frame outside now, so we just gonna work on stripping that today. We ain't worried about the black Monte. We're gonna go and take off these brake lines, calipers, all of this, and get the rear end on out of here too. We're doing everything real proper, like we're gonna strip him all the way down, give him the bare metal, flip him over, paint it all through and through. No more old cars. Yeah, like I done already done looked through all this motherfucker. I done got this motherfucker up on the list.
I bought this motherfucker without no research. I bought this motherfucker with no research.
That's it for this video. That's all we really got time for today. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. We got a lot in store for this car. He already got some polyurethane bushings. We're gonna make sure everything gets touched. Every screw goes turned. So stay tuned.